Can GPT-4o be trusted with your private data? Let's know it all. In an era dominated by AI integration in business operations, the advent of Chatgpt 4o heralds a new wave of possibilities and concerns. Is your company ready to entrust its data to its advanced AI? Well, let's delve into whether Chatgpt 4o can be trusted with your private data. As businesses increasingly turn to artificial intelligence for enhanced efficiency and innovation, Chatgpt 4o emerges as a pivotal tool poised to revolutionize how companies interact with data. Promising advanced features and heightened capabilities, it raises critical questions about data security and privacy. In this video, we explore the benefits and potential risks of integrating Chatgpt 4o into your business strategy, helping you navigate the complex landscape of AI-driven technologies in today's competitive market. Let's start with the fundamentals of GPT-4 Omni and attempt to learn about its operation, the properties of this LLM, and the potential applications of Chatgpt 4o in the creation of AI and ML. On May 13, 2024, OpenAI introduced GPT-4o, sometimes known as GPT-4 Omni, a progressive large language model. Any input format that this generative AI model can handle, whether it's text, audio, images, or video, will result in output formats that it can handle as well. OpenAI created a single model that can be trained end-to-end using audio, visual, and text. A major step in multimodal AI, this method enables a single neural network to handle all inputs and outputs. Complex business talks are a perfect fit for GPT-4o, since it can handle more information concurrently than earlier generations. Even with complex and thorough queries, this capacity guarantees coherence. Integrating AI into day-to-day operations becomes easier with the aid of GPT-4o's sophisticated capabilities, such as function calling, which improve communication, accuracy, and efficiency. In terms of language, reasoning, and coding intelligence, GPT-4o achieves GPT-4 Turbo-level performance according to conventional standards. In terms of audio and visual capabilities, it also establishes new benchmarks. To make sure the AI model is tailored to unique company requirements, the admin portal lets firms regulate use limitations and monitor the implementation of GPT-4o across different departments. We may check the potential uses of GPT-4o for businesses and organizations. A big language model called GPT-4 Omni can take in text, audio, images, and videos, and produce text, audio, and images as outputs. Its capacity to manage complicated relationships, boost productivity, and simplify internal communications and customer service is a boon to businesses. In addition to providing strong data protection, GPT-4o also allows for broad customization to meet the unique demands for each organization. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT's commercial uses, contact us. If you'd like, we can go into further detail about your company's operations and offer you a rundown on how to incorporate ChatGPT. Choosing between GPT-4o and GPT-4 Turbo. Now that we know what GPT-4o is capable of, let's see if we can distinguish it from OpenAI's prior model, GPT-4 Turbo. In most cases, we discovered that GPT-4o performed better than Turbo. However, there are a few notable exceptions. Both models still have a ways to go before they can compete with one another in highly accurate, complicated data extraction jobs. When it comes to classification tasks, GPT-4o outperforms GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus, and GPT-4 himself in terms of accuracy. Calendar calculations, time and angle calculations, and antonym recognition are among the reasoning tasks where GPT-4o demonstrates progress. Word processing, pattern identification, analogy reasoning, and spatial thinking are still areas where it fails. In what ways is GPT-4o different from others? Many versions of ChatGPT have been released since its inception. Less training data and lower parameters were used in the first version of ChatGPT. Since then, newer GPT versions have improved AI data learning and response. OpenAI describes GPT-4o, the result of all this work, as a step towards much more natural human-computer interaction. The latest version of GPT has the following improvements: various types of abilities. One major update to 4.0 is its ability to work with several modalities. In addition to understanding and producing text, audio, images, and videos, 4.0 can also comprehend and produce a mix of these formats. So you may show 4.0 a visual environment or a math issue and obtain replies about what the bot is viewing in real time. Even with several voices and background noise, GPT-4o can comprehend input. In addition to being able to recognize human emotion and adjust replies accordingly, it can also be paused to provide extra guidance. The speed of GPT-4o is double that of its predecessors. As an example, the 4.0 model can simulate human reaction times to auditory inputs, which is about 320 milliseconds, suggesting it might be useful for increasing productivity on the job. Alterations to the language. GPT-4o now supports more than 50 languages because of its enhanced language capabilities. A new tokenizer allows it to reply quicker and more accurately in more languages, and it can translate text or voice in real time. HR experts have identified 4 uses for GPT-4o. The enhanced features of GPT-4o bring Chatgpt to a whole new level of realism. Conversations between users and the AI bot are possible, and the bot may draw conclusions from the user's environment and communications. That makes it more human-like than ever before, which is fantastic news for human resources professionals who need assistance on the go. The question is, what does GPT-4o really accomplish for HR? Among the many things in which GPT-4o may facilitate better teamwork and more time for HR professionals, here are just a few. Direct communication with applicants has numerous advantages, but it isn't always feasible, particularly when working with a large pool of applicants. Now, 4.0 can screen applicants and engage in in-depth conversations with them. Virtual employment fairs, webinars, and other events may include conversations with applicants assisted by AI. While nothing beats the personal touch of a face-to-face interview, GPT-4o's enhanced capabilities will make the process more productive for your recruitment team and more pleasant for prospects. 4.0 can interpret and process visual and auditory data, so it can summarize and offer feedback on interviewees, either to help them see where they excel and where they might need improvement, or to provide recruiters with a report on how well suited the prospect is. Translation in real time. Misunderstanding non-English speaking customers or coworkers can be frustrating and dangerous depending on your field. Human translators are unnecessary with GPT-4o. People may speak their native tongue and have their words translated into your preferred language in real time thanks to AI's linguistic understanding and translation capabilities. Plus, in order to avoid misunderstandings or cultural variations, 4.0 can assess the message and deliver it precisely, unlike traditional translator software. Support during meetings. In this age of continual virtual meetings and interactions, artificial intelligence has been the subject of much discussion since it started to soar in popularity, with many pointing out its potential to improve meeting efficiency. The assistant skills of 4.0 have been significantly enhanced by its ability to comprehend audio and video. With one query, AI may pull up relevant research or data during meetings with team members or business partners and provide a concise summary to the rest of the group. Artificial intelligence can also assist with meeting summaries, real-time transcription, and action item selection for post-meeting debriefing. Evaluation of data. With 4.0's new features, Chatgpt can now generate images and charts based on data, which can help HR pros save time by eliminating the need to gather and create data visualizations. This is useful for various purposes, such as budget planning or employee survey responses. To further simplify report creation, users may optionally submit files for GPT-4o to examine and summarize. 4.0 has both cognitive and affective intelligence. Its ability to detect and respond to emotions in real time gives encounters a human-like quality. On top of that, it can monitor text in real time thanks to its visual skills, which opens up a world of possibilities in education and beyond. How do you get it? Those that use it for free. Everyone from novices to seasoned programmers can utilize ChatGPT 4o for free. Anyone from novice to seasoned programmers may affordably tap into the capabilities of this cutting-edge AI. Features such as web replies, data analysis, and intelligence at the GPT-4 level are available to free users. Those looking for a bit more will love the special perks that GPT-4o has to offer its Plus customers. The premium experience is customized to meet the demands of Plus customers, who enjoy greater capacity limitations, priority access, and reduced latency. To top it all off, they are always one step ahead of the competition, thanks to early access to feature updates. A world of possibilities opens up when ChatGPT 4o starts its worldwide deployment. This new AI paradigm will undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences, from transforming communication to propelling innovation across several sectors. To keep users' faith and safety intact, nevertheless, it's crucial to handle ethical problems and guarantee responsible deployment. That's all for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.